Repair ticket information. If I click on the service ID of a ticket in my queue, it will open the repair information. The information is categorized into several bands. The next couple of slides define each of the fields found in the repair screen. The repair ticket information includes the ticket information, which consists of the ticket number, the dispatch information, including the ID, the type of dispatch task, and the status, the date the ticket was received, and any flags used to identify special types of customer records. The customer information, which consists of the customer's telephone number, the customer's name, access directions, special instructions, and latitude and longitude coordinates. Trouble reported information, including the trouble reported, the type of problem, the appointment date and time, the reason the appointment is needed, remarks from the tester, any details about the problem being reported, and results from the diagnose task. The service information, which consists of the class of service, the geographic block, the skill needed to repair the problem, and the estimated working time. The contact information, including the customer contact information, the name of the person who requested the dispatch, the date and time the request for the dispatch was made, and comments, including the name or user ID of the person who submitted the comment, the date and time the comment was submitted, the comments recorded, and the facilities, which describes the location within the central office of each piece of equipment in the circuit, as well as the clearing information and any marked flags. In the next lesson, we will preview on how to dispatch, reject, and close a ticket.